Good morning, students. So we are doing chapter 6 secondary activities. We have discussed about the major industries, those are in the complete world. Two topics remain in this chapter. First is iron and steel industry. Second is cotton textile industry. So today we will discuss first about iron and steel industry. First we will discuss about iron and steel industry. With the help of this name you can understand. इस name से हम understand कर सकते हैं कि it is a basic industry and heavy industry. Because it is the base of other industries. क्योंकि ये ही क्या करती है, इसी के ऊपर डिपेंड करती है. All machines which are made, they are made from iron and steel. And heavy industry, it is also a heavy industry. एक heavy industry भारी industry है. That's why it is set up near the area where iron ore easily available. जहाँ पे iron ore आसानी से मिल जाता है, उस एरिया के अंदर इसको सेटअप किया जाता है. These are located near sources of raw materials. Raw materials क्या है iron and steel industry के लिए? Iron ore is raw material for iron and steel industry. Iron ore is raw material for iron and steel industry. And these are set up near iron ore mines. Integrated steel plant and mini steel plant. There are two types of plants set up for iron and steel industry. One is integrated steel plant and second is mini steel plant. Integrated steel plant are set up only in those areas where raw material easily available. It means the iron ore mines are there. In that area we are setting up integrated steel plant. Integrated steel plants are those plants, they are at large scale. They are doing all things in that particular plant. Iron and steel they are doing, after that the remaining thing works also done by the integrated steel plant. It means these are the large steel plant. Many steel plant they can set up in any area. What they are doing, they are taking the scrap iron. These mini steel plant what they are taking scrap. Scrap का मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे कबाड़ जो होता है ना, लोहे का जो पुरानी चीजें होती है, they were mixed up, they are collected by the people and they sent into in this mini steel plant and they convert into again into steel. उसको क्या करते हो, स्टील में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. These are the small plants, they are small plant in comparison of integrated steel plant. So this is the difference between integrated steel plant and mini steel plant. The next is even spread in both developed and developing countries. You know very well this is the basic industry, so it will be found in both areas, developed countries and developing countries. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये आपको दोनों जगह में मिलेगी, डेवलप्ड में मिलेगी और डेवलपिंग में मिलेगी. जैसे आपका एग्जांपल दिया गया है USA, Germany and India. Rust Bowl of USA. Rust Bowl of means the major area of USA where iron and steel production is done. That is Pittsburgh. यानी Pittsburgh एक यूएसए के अंदर ऐसा एरिया है जहां पे सबसे ज्यादा क्या होता है, आपका आयरन एंड स्टील का प्रोडक्शन होता है. मोर मेन इंडस्ट्रीज ऑफ आयरन एंड स्टील आर सेट अप इन पिट्सबर्ग इन यूएसए. नाउ नेक्स्ट विल कम कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज. कॉटन टेक्सटाइल, you know very well, cotton is the raw material for textile industries. There are three sector of cotton textile industries. One is handloom, second is powerloom and third is mill sector. Handloom, in which cloth is or textile is made up from hands. खादी जो हाथ से बनाते थे पहले चरखा वगैरह से, that is handloom. Powerloom, this is you can say some machinery, small scale machineries are used in powerloom. And low you can say labor is also very less, यानी इसके अंदर लेबर की बहुत कम जरूरत पड़ती है, कम लेबर यूज किया जाता है. Mill sector, it is in this there are large scale machines and large scale labor is required for mill sector. Then next is again required good quality cotton as raw material. Good quality cotton means it cannot be done with the help of poor quality of cotton. We had required good quality of cotton as a raw material for cotton textile industries. India, China, USA, Pakistan and Egypt. These are the major countries where half of the world's raw cotton is produced. यानी आधे से ज्यादा वर्ल्ड का रॉ कॉटन जो होता है, कॉटन जिससे हम कपास या नरमा बोलते हैं, उसका प्रोडक्शन इन 5 कंट्रीज में बताया गया: इंडिया, चाइना, यूएसए, पाकिस्तान एंड इजिप्ट. देन फेसेस स्टिफ कंपटीशन फ्रॉम सिंथेटिक फाइबर. दिस कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री इज फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम विद द सिंथेटिक फाइबर. जो कृत्रिम यानी जो विदाउट कॉटन के जो आपका केमिकल वगैरह का यूज करके जो फाइबर बन रहा है, वो एक तो आसानी से अवेलेबल होता है, उसकी कॉस्ट भी सस्ती पड़ती है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज इजीली अवेलेबल. इसलिए ये इसको स्टिफ कंपटीशन, सख्त कंपटीशन मिल रहा है कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री को सिंथेटिक फाइबर से. शिफ्टिंग टू डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज वेयर लेबर कॉस्ट लेस. These cotton textile industries are set up in the developing countries. Why? Because in that area labor is easily available and they have not required so much money. They can come at a less money.